Hey learners, do you sometimes find grammar boring? Well, not today, because today we're going to learn all 12 English tenses. Yes, all 12, using one magical picture of a park filled with fun characters. A balloon seller, a kite-flying boy, a walking grandpa, and even a playful squirrel. They're all here to help us explore tenses like never before. What are tenses? Tenses are like time machines for verbs. They help us understand when something happens, whether it's happening now, happened before, or will happen later. Let's imagine we're watching this same park scene through 3 magical time lenses. Present. What's happening now? The boy flies a kite every afternoon. Past. What already happened? The balloon seller stood near the gate every Sunday. Future. What will happen? The old man will walk here on Monday. See? Same place, different times. That's the magic of tenses. Let's look at the picture. Look closely. What do we see? A boy flying a kite, a girl holding some sticks, a grandpa walking with a cane, a balloon seller with colorful balloons, a dog chasing a squirrel. Each one has a little story, and we'll use those to explore all 12 tenses with clear, simple, and fun examples. Present tenses. What's happening now? Simple present. The boy flies a kite every afternoon. It's his daily habit, just like brushing your teeth or having lunch at 1. Present continuous. The dog is chasing the squirrel. You can almost hear the rustling of leaves as they race around the park. It's happening right now. Present perfect. The girl has picked up some sticks. She's done it. And if you look closely, her hands are still full. Present perfect continuous. The boy has been flying the kite for an hour. Look at that long string in the sky. He's been at it for quite a while, and he's not stopping yet. Past tenses. Let's travel back in time. Simple. Past, the balloon seller stood under that tree yesterday. She's not there now, but yesterday, her colorful balloons brightened that spot. Past continuous. The grandpa was walking when the dog ran past him. He was peacefully strolling until the squirrel drama sped right by him. Past perfect. The dog had chased the squirrel across the park before it stopped. That chase? It already happened, and the squirrel made a ninja escape. Past perfect continuous. The girl had been collecting sticks before she sat down. She was busy for a long time, gathering each stick. Now she's finally resting. Mission accomplished. Future tenses. Let's look ahead. Simple future. The old man will walk here on Monday. It's part of his weekly routine, like clockwork. Watch out for him. Future continuous. The boy will be flying the kite while the dog chases the squirrel. What a fun scene that will be. Action-packed and in perfect sync. Future perfect. The girl will have collected enough sticks by sunset. She's on a mission, and by evening, her pile will be picture perfect. Future perfect continuous. The balloon seller will have been waiting here for an hour by 5 p.m. Still standing, still smiling, as cheerful and patient as ever. Let's try it together. Ready for a challenge? Pick any one character from the picture. Now write 3 sentences. 1 in the present tense, 1 in the past tense, 1 in the future tense. Write them in your grammar notebook, or post them in the comments below. Let's see how well you've mastered this time-traveling language tool. What did we learn? You've just explored all 12 English tenses with just one single picture. Isn't it amazing how grammar becomes clearer and even fun when we use stories and visuals? So, the next time someone says grammar is hard, just show them this image and that clever squirrel. Like this lesson? Share it with a friend who finds grammar tricky. Save it in your playlist for quick revision. And don't forget to subscribe to Introspective English Hub for more creative, visual English lessons.